In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a Bluebeam Studio session. If you're wrapping up collaboration and ready to lock in your team's work, closing the session is the clean final step that preserves your record and prevents further changes. Start by opening your Bluebeam Studio session. Make sure you're in the correct session, the one you actually want to close, by glancing at the session name and confirming the documents and attendees look right. It's a good idea to quickly confirm everyone has finished their markups and that any pending uploads have completed. That way, nothing gets cut off when you finalize things. If your team is still active, consider letting them know that you're about to close so they can save any last updates. With the session open, locate the session admin icon, which looks like a small gear. You'll typically find this in the studio panel when you're viewing the session details. This gear opens up the administrative options for managing the session. You'll need to be the session host or have admin permissions to complete the close. So if you don't see the option you need, that's usually a permissions issue. Click the gear icon to open the admin menu, then choose Close Session. This is the command that finalizes the session for everyone. Closing a session stops new changes from being made, locks the documents as they are, and preserves the activity record. It's designed for when the collaboration phase is finished and you're ready to move the work forward without additional markups. If you've been coordinating with multiple stakeholders, this is the safest way to ensure the final state is captured consistently. When prompted, confirm by clicking OK. This confirmation is there to prevent accidental closure because once you confirm, the session is closed and participants can't keep editing. Give it a moment to process, especially if the session was large or had many documents and markups. After the session is closed, your team will no longer be able to add or change content, and the session will be recorded in its final state. Depending on your configuration and permissions, you should still be able to reference the session history and access the documents in their completed form. That's all there is to it. Open the session, click the session admin gear, select close session and confirm with OK. By following these steps, you ensure a clean, controlled finish to your collaboration and a reliable record of what was completed. Thanks for watching.